Check out our newest feature release, Proposals and Estimates with Multiple Recipient Signatures. What is Proposals and Estimates with Multiple Recipient Signatures? This new feature update is going to streamline the signing process by enabling the assignment of signature elements to multiple recipients within a document. Why it matters and how it's going to help you. This new feature update is going to help you by saving you time and effort by allowing you to assign signature elements to multiple recipients. Each recipient will receive a unique link to sign their specific part of the document. This new feature is also going to allow you to capture valuable information such as IP addresses, location, date, and time for all signers. Let me show you exactly how to access this new feature. So, in the left-hand menu, you are going to go to Payments. From Payments, you are going to go to Proposals and Estimates on the horizontal navigation bar. From there, you're going to click the plus New button on the upper right-hand side of your screen. Now you're going to select the recipients. You can add as many as you'd like. You're going to have the option to allocate a primary recipient, signer only, and any CCs that you'd like to make. Now you're going to have access to those primary signature links so that you can put everything within your document. One of the things that I absolutely love is the tracking and the certification of those signatures. Part of this update is going to now include the IP address as well as the date and time for that signature so that everything is fully trackable. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help.